Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 57, insert interval. So in this question you just there is a given 2D vector which is interval and new interval. So you just have to insert this interval into this interval. So okay, so you just have to uh, merge this new interval into initial intervals. Okay, so in this question first you have to create a 2D vector, because you in this function you just have to return the 2D vector. So vector int comma 2D vector, which is I will name as merged, and then int I equals to 0 comma int n equals to intervals dot size, and while I less than n and n intervals of I comma 1 is less than new interval of 0. Then you just have to do one thing, you just have to merged dot pushback intervals of I. Okay, and then you just have to do I plus plus. Okay, and then you just have to write one more condition while I less than n and n intervals of I comma 0 is less than equals to new interval of 1. Then you just have to rewrite the value of new interval is equals to min of intervals of I of I comma 0 and new interval of 0 comma max of interval of I comma 1 comma new interval of 1. Okay, and then you just have to I plus plus. After this you just have to push back into the merge vector the new interval. Okay, new interval and then you just have to do one thing, while I less than n merge dot push back intervals of I and I plus plus. After that you just have to return merged vector. So let's run this code. There is an error of spelling intervals. New interval. Yeah, this code is run properly. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this is fine. Thanks for watching.